How to reset your home screen layout on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can reset home screen layout on Android device. Well, if you're on your home screen or the app screen, what you can do is you can tap and hold on it, and now you can proceed to reset the layout. So you can either remove any, if you have, so I can delete this, right? I'll delete the piece, and now I can add in certain widgets. I can choose different theme and I can use it as well. Similarly, if you want to reset your apps piece, then what you can do is you can head into settings first. Once you open up settings here, scroll down and you can see home screen. Tap on home screen here, and now you can reset the app size. You can see app labels, widgets, home screen layout. You can reset from here, and you can see home screen grid, folder grid and such. So you can reset it from here, both your home screen and app screen. So this is how you can reset your home screen layout on Android. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.